Hey folks, just one more brief video. My friend Bucky the deer buck, the male buck, sleeps in here. And no, the puppy things are not from Buck, but if I were to show you a close-up of the foamy grips, I got deer hair all over him. He's been scratching himself here from foamy grips. To prove it, I just swept these in that corner not 60 days ago. He comes in and curls up right on my doorstep, right down in here, and he stays hidden from the outside traffic. And I think he likes to listen to the family. Kind of cute. This is not dog hair. My dogs aren't allowed out here ever. It's a straight shot to the street. He comes in. Right now I have the starts up to allow oxygen in and the exhaust to escape, but he'll come right in where I keep the slit to walk in and out of, even right in there. He'll step right over the green thing, come right around the hatch. Last night I guess he was trying to get into the freezer room, tool room, and Sherry accidentally scared him. He come flying out and out, so I'm kind of surprised he didn't get caught up in the cart. But that's Bucky. So anyway. Have a good day, folks. This is a little something like and Cherry. Peace.